Hey, welcome to the Impact Podcast with Taiwo Balogun. In today's episode, I just want to quickly clear the air because I realize that a lot of people have been calling, chatting with me on the type of businesses that they can register in the United States of America. But very soon, after this episode, I'm going to share 10 lucrative businesses that can make you millions in Nigeria, and that you can also extend or expand to the United States of America. That series is going to start very, very shortly. My team are working on that. But I just want to quickly clear the air by telling you that there is no business that you cannot expand to the United States of America. Yes, there is no business that you cannot do what that you can expand to the US. In fact, I'm working on a business model for fashion designers. Business model for fashion designers that knows what they are doing. Fashion designers that are very good at what they do. Yes, I have a very good business model for them that you can be planted in Nigeria and then get clients from the US that will be paying you in dollars. In $2. All you need to do is to don't let me expose it now. I'm going to share the business model. Some of you that are interested, if you know any fashion designer, tell that designer to listen to Taiwo Impact Podcast. I'm about to share a business model that will support their business to the United States of America. Yes, I'll be talking about agriculture too in the 10 businesses make you millions in Nigeria and also make you thousands of dollars. Agriculture. And I'll be hosting one of my mentees on this show very shortly. Also, even if you are into tech, in fact, you have enough advantage to extend to the United States of America because the opportunity is massive. It's the funding of opportunity or, getting access to a larger market and a well-structured economy. What are we talking about? And the world is global now. So you can be planted in Nigeria and, take your business across the world by registering in America. I also have a business model that can take you far as a realtor from Nigeria, connecting with Nigerian diaspora. And also, you can buy property in America without leaving the door of Nigeria with your LLC. I know what I'm saying. It is possible for you to take that business, even if it is online business. Yes, these things are possible, they are available. You just have to get more organized with the content that you consume. One of the things I would do on the Impact Podcast with Taiwo Balogun is to educate you about how to start business, grow your business, and scale up your business. This is what we stand for, and that is why our tagline is be inspired to grow your business one conversation at a time. That is what we stand for. So please get ready. So till I come your way next time, I remain your host, Taiwo Balogun. But if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now. Hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to activate the bell button so that you'll be notified whenever we come up with a brand new video that's going to help your business. I come your way next time. Remain impactful.